Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game from Scratch, and I've got some great news for Unity developers. Today is a good day. We've got not one, but two bundles going on right now. So if you head on over to the Unity Asset Store, you will see there are two mega bundles for the Lunar New Year, the Daring Bundle and the Roaring Bundle. Now, if you've never experienced these bundles before, quite frankly, they are the best deal other than maybe humble Unity bundles, but they are incredible values if you are a Unity developer. Basically, as you buy higher tiers, you get more of a percentage off, and you get up to 95% off all of the assets in the bundle. So like I said, we've got two, the Daring Bundle and the Roaring Bundle. Now, I'm not going to go into a ton of detail on each one of these because I'm going to cover the most interesting assets in follow-up videos. But if there's something in individual bundles that would make you help decide if you want to see it or not, let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I will do it in a follow-up video. So basically, there's 2 weeks left in these bundles, so you got plenty of time. If you are on the fence, wait for me to do a video on it, but these are great deals. If you're a Unity developer, kind of no-brainer. So the first one we've got here, at 20 bucks, you're saving 81% off at that point in time. You're getting 3D props, adorable items, the physics tank maker, and the cartoon GUI pack. I'm going to no doubt check out Tank Maker just because I'm a giant World of Tanks fan. So yeah, those are the three you get at that tier. Basically, all of these bundles, by the way, are set up so you want to buy the highest tier bundle. That's where the savings are and the value is and all of that stuff. And generally, that's also where the best stuff is. So we move up to the middle tier. And by the way, for your 30 bucks, you're also getting everything at the $20 tier. So these are cumulative as these bundles go. At this one, you're getting the Rocky Hills Environment Mega Pack for the standard render pipeline, so be noting of that aspect. The Fluxy 2.5D Fluid Simulator, that one's kind of interesting to me personally. Enemy AI, the Shift Complete Sci-Fi UI Kit, and the Spellbook Mega Pack. And then finally, at the $40 tier, again, you get all the other tiers, plus you're getting, as you can see, you get a lot more in the last tier. So they really do structure these so they want you to buy that tier. But this is where you're getting the 95% savings on the items in the bundle. Here you're getting ArchViz Pro Interiors Volume 6, Leaning Animator, Maggio Interactive Effects Engine for the ERP and the HDRP, the Ultimate Mobile Pro Pack, the Black Mage Spells, Global Snow, Kinematic Character Controller, Tiny Dragon, Unibullet Hell, and then that one could be interesting. Dreamscape Nature Meadows, and then finally the Pro Effects Sci-Fi Shooter Effects Pack. So you're getting a decent package of stuff here for 40 bucks. So that there is the Daring Mega Bundle. Next up, we have the Roaring Mega Bundle. Same deal, same amount of time, same price per tiers. So by the way, to get everything you're looking at here, you're going to be looking at 80 bucks, obviously, because it's two separate bundles. At this one, at the lowest tier, you're getting the Jigsaw Puzzle Creator Kit, the Mech Constructor Spiders and Tanks. I won't feature that, but I'll definitely play around with the models, so maybe they'll make a cameo in another video. The Realistic Sniper and Ballistic Systems, the RPG Monster Wave 2 Poly Art Pack, the Ultimate Screenshot Creator, the Force Field Effects Japanese School Gymnasium and Prefab Brush Pack. And then finally, we get Suimono 2.1 Interactive Water System, Melee Warrior Animations, Dynamic Radial Masks, Top-Down Effects, Pure Nature, Pistol Animation Set Pro, the African Big Pack, the Turn-Based RPG Template, the Terrain Composer 2, the Airport Pack, and Any Portrait. And that, ladies and gentlemen, are the two bundles. By the way, if you do use my link, I get a small commission, and I greatly appreciate it. Let me know what here looked most interesting to you between these two bundles. I would say between the bundles, I think this one is the one that I slightly prefer, mostly because the water system definitely looks interesting. The turn-based RPG template, I have no idea what Any Portrait is all about, but there's some very interesting things in this particular pack, and then some just monsters and meshes and so on and so forth. But they did a pretty good job of spreading between the two bundles. So again, there's some cool stuff over on this one as well, some AI controllers and so on. Now, what I do find interesting with these two bundles is I've bought a ton of them in the past between Humble and previous Unity Mega Bundles, and I'm not seeing a lot of repetition here. So almost everything in these two bundles I have never personally seen before, which is nice because when you start dealing with these bundles, you're going to start running into like duplicates, and it makes it less of a value if you already own the items in the bundle. This one, it seems like both of these bundles are almost entirely new assets. That also does mean a lot of the marquee things that we've come to look like, things like Playmaker or Corgi engine, etc., aren't in these particular bundles. But I got to imagine, especially if you're a regular to this channel, if you're interested in those, you already probably picked them up in a previous bundle. So I like the fact that a lot of these are kind of a little bit lesser known on this side because they're new to you and they're new to me. So I will be buying both of these bundles. Let me know what you are particularly interested in. And again, I can cover it over the next 2 weeks in some follow-up videos. I might do multiple so that I'm not absolutely flooding the channel with Unity content. And sorry, non-Unity developers, but these bundles are such a great deal. I do have to cover them. But let me know which ones you find most interesting. Like I said, I might bundle a couple. Oh, that was an unintended pun. I might put a couple of these things from the bundles together into an individual video. So again, that I don't create too many of these videos. But if you're interested in particular assets here, do let me know. So this one here is the Daring Mega Bundle. Decent stuff in here for sure. And then we have the other bundle, the Roaring Bundle. Again, I think this one is slightly better between the two, but I guess it's all about what you're in for. This one just kind of comes with a little bit more just reusable assets, I think, between the two. Maybe not. Hard to say, actually. I'm not seeing a real common theme between either one. So I could see how you could like one over the other, but actually let me know in the comments down below which of the two bundles you actually prefer as well. But anything specifically you want to see me cover, do let me know, and I will do my best. Also, again, if you purchase using my link, it really helps the channel out, and I greatly appreciate it. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. That's the Mega Bundles Lunar New Year. Again, if you get the top level bundles, the $40 bundles, you get everything in that bundle, and you're saving 95% off. And it generally boils down to if there is a single asset you wanted, makes the entire bundle a deal. So these are great deals when they come up, and to have two of them at the same time, hey, that's pretty cool. So let me know what you think. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.